Kia ora koutou, welcome back to another skipping tutorial. My name's Sasha and today I've got a really quick little tutorial for you about how to change direction with the rope. Okay, so I'm going to teach you a stall. Okay, let me show you what a stall looks like to start with. Okay, so it's really simple, and it's just a way to change direction from jumping forwards to jumping backwards, and you can obviously do it in both ways. So let's break it down a little bit. So we start with our forward bounces first. So we're going 1, 2, and then as the rope is coming over, we just straddle out the feet, and then we kind of slow the rope down. So we sort of dip it down to stop the rope, and then we reverse direction to go into a backwards jump. Okay, let's have a little look in slow-mo. It's as easy as that. I'll show you what it looks like in reverse as well. So reverse would be we're starting with the rope in front of us and we're going from backwards jumping to forwards jumping. Just like that, easy as. It's called a stall. It's a really fun little way to change direction of the rope and a cool way to mix in forwards and backwards jumping. Have a go and I'll see you in the next video. Ka kite.